everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparkstoflameseducation, where you get great science, math, and reading content, and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. Thank you.
Yeah. My tomato plant had all these leaves, and now the leaves are gone. So I need to get to the bottom of what's going on here with this tomato plant. So I don't know. What do you think we do?
All the day past it didn't get no sunlight. Hey, shoot.
That's what you think? That it didn't get any sunlight?
Yeah.
But I'm saying the leaves wouldn't disappear altogether. They would kind of dry and become brown.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm saying, yeah, they will become dry and brown, right? But they're not dry and brown, they just disappear. They'll probably fall off, but if they fall off, wouldn't we see them in the bin? Check the bin if you see any in there. Because if they fall off, they would be in the bin. They're not there. So, examine the plant. Examine the plant itself. Don't this. Look at the plant, stem by stem, leaf by leaf.
I think like dogs.
Look for evidence of wearless all around here.
Oh, I know something.
What?
Because it didn't get any water.
Water? That might, but the leaves would turn brown.
Yeah.
They wouldn't just disappear. How would the leaves just disappear?
I don't know. Maybe like the ants crawl and eat it.
That something ate it?
Hey.
So that's what we gotta look for. Let's see if we find anything that eats them. That's eating it. Let's see here. Are you seeing? Are you looking? Do you see anything that looks like it could be eating the plant?
No.
You gotta go step by step. Look.
Whoa. I think these might eat it.
What?
Those prickly things?
What's prickly things?
Right here.
Oh, those are for those are on the plant. These prickly things?
Yes.
What you call them? Prickly things?
And white things.
These prickly things
White prickly
are
things.
to help the plant so nothing eats it. That's why they're there. Isn't that strange? Yes, something is eating the plant. So let's examine this leaf.
Stop eating. Oh no, he's still eating.
Look, I'm winning.
Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and to find out more about how to turn ordinary moments into great learning moments, visit us at www.sparkstoflameseducation.com. And please remember, share our YouTube page and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.